Pretty impressive to see you fit 4 of them subs in here and a 6th. That's unique. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, how you doing? What's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Andrew. I got 4 Power Acoustic Mofo 12s on a Tarium Space 15K, wired at half ohm.
Nice.
I got Def Bonds, Arnold 6.5s in the door, Machete Tweeters on JPM, and I've got a 64 amp hour Midway lithium.
Nice. What's that? That's pretty cool. That's your... Oh, okay.
So, mids, highs, that's a bass knob, and then I've got PA speakers outside.
Okay.
And that just allows me to, you know, control mids and highs independently.
Yes, sir.
Rather than having to go back to DSP and, you know, adjust.
Got it. Is this like a 4th order or is it ported?
6th order.
Oh, 6th. Okay.
28 for the rear tuning and 54 for the front.
Oh, wow. Do you have any pictures on your phone of how it looks? That's a really odd question.
I do have a picture actually somewhere. Give me a second.
You're good, man. This is very cool. Pretty impressive to see you fit 4 of them subs in here and a 6th. That's unique. Nice. And it's probably louder, I'm gonna guess, with the seats down.
It is, yeah.
What's the amp wire to ohm-wise?
Half ohm.
Half ohm. Okay. How are the subs handling the power?
The amp is turned down.
It is? Okay.
You'll probably smell them a little bit because they get pretty warm, but...
Yes, sir. Okay.
I don't know how well that'll be able to show up.
Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. So
this is to be able to get the subs in because I don't have enough clearance in between that back part and the...
Got it. And where's the corner's the port? The 6th port?
Port's actually right there is what you see right there facing into the cabin.
So there is it... Okay.
I can pop the trunk for you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that would be awesome. Just I'm trying to see everything about... So it's a sealed box in the bottom.
It's ported. It is a 6th order.
So there's a back port?
There is a back.
Oh, okay.
There's not much back here. It's not too bad.
Alright.
There's a 4-inch port like right here.
Okay.
And one right here.
Got it.
For the bottom chamber, and they both...
That's where I couldn't see in the picture.
You kind of look up in there. You can kind of see them a little bit.
And you built this in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Wow. You did a good job. Nice. Looks good. Thank you for showing me, man. I like to see everything, so appreciate it. Look a little closer. Oh, I see the ports now.
Yeah.
They're like a 3-inch PVC?
4-inch.
4-inch PVC.
4 inches, yep.
Wow. Yeah, I would love to hear it, man. All right, nice. Where's your battery bank and what is it?
64 amp hours of headway. It's on either side of the enclosure, so we 2 different banks.
Okay.
You can't really see it.
Yes, sir.
It's built in.
Got it. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Nice. Sorry for all the questions. I like to know. It's the first time I've seen this.
And 350 amp alternator too.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, I can't play too low.
Yeah, no, it's too low. What, mid-20s?
Like 28.
28, okay.
It's not crazy on the lows.
Yeah. Okay. That's an older Pioneer.
It is. Not a lot of people have them.
Nice.
I follow you.
You're welcome.
So,
oh, okay.
Cool to have you in here.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you showing me. I like to see everything, and pretty impressive to see. What are these subs rated at? I think 1,200 or something like that? 1,500 watts RMS. Okay. And have you ever clamped how much power's on it?
Never for fun.
Okay, awesome. All good, man.
Riding with that chopper, just dope money, got my ass, living just like a Dodger. Snatch house down, and my daddy pulling up in the caddy, make it baby daddy look like cockers. Puffing on the fatty fools
Sure. Yeah, man.
Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come outside, I got the info. Took it to the east, I'm from the end zone. No, I love to smoke, you love to lick more. Wanna hit the joint, then what you call for? All that out your mouth shit, that ain't called for. Coming up and tell this dark opposite. She got it coming hard. She with me till the bar. That shit, I'm like the sergeant. Keep on saying that as you just might get a warrant. Yeah, if she got, she get a pass and tell you to our passes. Get you fan. Better best is like Jenny. I don't panic. Switch gotta change the
You're welcome.
So,
Oh, okay.
cool to have you in here.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you showing me. I like to see everything, and pretty impressive to see. What are these subs rated at? I think 1,200 or something like that? 1,500 watts RMS. Okay. And have you ever clamped how much power's on it?
I just do it for fun.
Okay, awesome. All good, man. Thanks for watching. Good to see you again. Your name?
Andrew.
Andrew. All right, Andrew. JacobViral. You have a good day. You too, man.